5 authentic izakaya dishes to bring that Japanese izakaya experience straight to your table. Konnichiwa, I'm Paqupel, your guide to Japanese flavors. Today we're making 5 classic Otsumami, dishes you'll often find at a Japanese izakaya. But first, what exactly is an izakaya? An izakaya is a type of Japanese restaurant where food and drinks are enjoyed together. It's casual, lively, and deeply rooted in Japanese daily life. Seating is often semi-private or private, designed for the group you came with. Rather than ordering individual dishes for yourself, you order several plates called Otsumami and share them over drinks. In this video, we're making 5 Otsumami you'll often find at a Japanese izakaya. Bring that izakaya experience right to your own table. Alright, let's start cooking. First up is beef tataki, a classic izakaya favorite. The surface is seared over high heat, while the inside stays tender and nearly raw. Finished with a citrusy soy sauce, it's clean, refreshing, and pairs beautifully with Japanese sake or shochu. Let's get started. First, take the beef out of the refrigerator 20 to 30 minutes before cooking and pat it dry with paper towels. Bringing it to room temperature keeps the center from staying too cold, giving you a more even, beautiful result. Season with salt and black pepper. Add vegetable oil and crushed garlic to a frying pan and heat over medium. Once the garlic is fragrant, add the beef. Sear over high heat until all sides are well browned. Cooking time varies depending on thickness and preference, but around 2 to 4 minutes total. Searing quickly over high heat creates a beautifully aromatic crust while keeping the inside tender and juicy. Remove the beef from the pan and wrap it tightly in aluminum foil. Let it rest for the same amount of time it took to sear. This allows the residual heat to gently finish the cooking and the juices to settle. Now, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, combine soy sauce, mirin, lemon juice, sake, and sugar and mix well. Transfer the beef, garlic, and any juices into a Ziploc bag. Add the combined sauce. Marinate for at least 20 minutes or overnight for a deeper flavor. Slice the beef thinly. Pour the marinade into a microwave-safe bowl. Cover loosely and microwave for about 1 minute. Let it cool, then serve alongside as a dipping sauce. Beef tataki is ready. Dip each slice into the sauce and enjoy. Next up is Tebasaki Yakitori, grilled chicken wings on skewers. When a group heads to an izakaya, ordering a yakitori platter is almost second nature. It covers something for everyone, and tebasaki is one of the most delicious variations you'll find on that platter. At izakaya, yakitori is traditionally cooked over charcoal. But in this recipe, we'll show you how to recreate that same experience at home using just a frying pan. Let's get started. Pat the chicken wings dry with paper towels. Cut along the joint. Shape them while removing the thinner bone. Then thread onto skewers. Season evenly with salt. Heat a frying pan and place the wings skin side down. Starting skin side down allows the fat to render out gradually, resulting in a crispy golden finish. Cover with a lid and cook over medium heat. Once the skin is golden brown, flip the wings. Cover again and cook through. For the final step, remove the lid and sear the skin side once more until crispy. Removing the lid at the end allows excess moisture to escape, giving the skin an extra crispy finish. Tebasaki Yakitori is ready. Serve with sudachi or other citrus on the side if you like. Next is the chilled tomato and onion salad. Izakaya menus are filled with rich, hearty dishes, grilled meats, deep-fried foods, and bold flavors. That's exactly why a refreshing, light dish like this is so often ordered alongside them. Let's get started. Thinly slice the onion and soak in cold water for 5 to 10 minutes to mellow the sharpness. If you're using new seasoned onions, soaking is not necessary. Then drain well. Any excess water will dilute the flavor. Slice the tomato into pieces that are easy to eat. Arrange the onion slices on a plate, then lay the tomato slices on top. Sprinkle with bonito flakes and garnish with shiso leaves, if desired. Drizzle with ponzu and serve. If ponzu is unavailable, a simple mix of equal parts soy sauce and lemon juice works just as well. Next is tuna and avocado with wasabi soy sauce. Dishes made with fresh raw fish, including sashimi, are among the most popular items on any izakaya menu. This is one of them. Let's get started. Cut the tuna into bite-sized cubes. Cut the avocado into bite-sized cubes as well. For the avocado, choose one that is slightly firm. An overripe avocado will break apart when mixed. In a bowl, combine the wasabi, soy sauce, mirin, and sesame oil. Mix well. Add the tuna and avocado and give everything a quick toss. Add the white sesame seeds and green onion to taste, then fold gently. Tuna and avocado break apart easily, so take care to keep everything intact. Tuna and avocado with wasabi soy sauce is ready. Serve with roasted nori on the side and wrap a piece around each bite if you like. Last up is soy-glazed potatoes. At Izakaya, home-style dishes are a common sight, and this is one of them. In fact, dishes like this are often served as otoshi, a small plate brought to your table automatically when you order your first drink without you having to order it yourself. Let's get started. Peel the potatoes and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Smaller pieces cook more evenly and absorb the seasoning better. Avoid cutting them too large. Soak in water to remove excess starch, then drain. Place the potatoes in a small saucepan and add enough dashi to come about 2/3 of the way up. For the dashi recipe, check the description below. Bring to a boil over medium heat. Add the raw cane sugar and soy sauce. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and simmer until the potatoes are tender. When most of the liquid has reduced, add the butter and gently stir to coat the potatoes in the remaining sauce. The potatoes will continue to absorb the sauce even after the heat is off. Leave a little liquid in the pan rather than reducing it completely. Gently transfer to a serving dish. Add blanched snap peas or green beans alongside if desired. Soy-Glazed Potatoes is ready. Enjoy the comforting flavors. Did you find a new favorite? Try making these at home and bring that izakaya experience to your own table. If there's an izakaya dish you'd love to see next, let us know in the comments below. See you again in our next video, and don't forget to subscribe for more Japanese recipes.